What's up, everyone? So this is angle pairs part 2. We'll call it the algebra part. This is where we're going to solve for x, pretty much what we're trying to do. Now, it is imperative before you even try this that you need to know that what type of angles you're talking about. These angles are the angles given. We're looking for x, and from the previous set of notes, you need to know that these angles are corresponding. This is the bottom right hand corner. This is also the bottom right hand corner. That means these are corresponding. And corresponding angles are congruent. That means if this is 68 and this is 68. Very simple. You're done. Go to the next question. In this question, the two angles given are right there and right here. Again, from the other lesson, you should know these angles are on the same side and they are on the inside. So these are same side interior angles. And same side interior angles equal 180 degrees when you add them. So then 74 plus x equals 180 degrees. So to solve for x, we subtract 74 and it'll give us the answer, which is 106 degrees. So x is 106 degrees. Next question. Oh, this one got x's. Dang it. So the angles they give us here are right here and down there. Before you can even do this, you need to realize what type of angles these are. This one's on the outside. It's on the outside of the lines. This one's on the outside. That means they're both exterior. Since they're both exterior, they can either be alternate or same side. But since these are on the same side of the transversal line, these are same side exterior. And same side exterior angles are equal to 180 degrees. So then 3x plus 7, the angle right here, plus this angle on the bottom, 4x plus 54, is equal to 180. Now we just solve it and solve for x. 3x plus 4x. 3 plus 4, 7x. Positive 7, positive 54. 7 plus 54 is a positive 61. That equals your 180. Leave the x alone. Subtract 61. Bring down the 7x is equal to 180 minus 61 is 119, I believe. Divide that by 7. Should give us 17. X is 17. Next one. These angles are both on the inside and they're on the same side. That means they are same side interior angles. Same side interior angles equal 180 degrees. So then we add them. 3x plus 6x equals 180 degrees. 3x plus 6x is 9x. That equals 180 divided by 9. 180 divided by 9 is 20. So x is 20. Alright, here we go. This helps you on the other worksheet we're going to be doing. That's 110. How much is that one? Now this question is kind of tricky because 110 is on the left of the line, x is on the right. That means it would be alternate interior or exterior, but it's neither. They're not. The tricky here is that this is 110, so this is 110. They're corresponding, top left, top left. That means that these two make 180 because they make a whole line. These are a linear pair. It's the hardest type of question you'll probably get. That's 110, that's x. 110 plus x is 180. Subtract the 110. X is 70. So keep that in mind. If you have an angle right here and you have another one on this side, if you add them all together, that is 180 degrees. Right? That's a linear pair. Now the next question. That's 110. How much is the other one? This is 110. How much is this? Now if you look at this question, it's kind of upside down, but it still works. It's the same thing. This is the bottom right hand corner. This is the bottom right hand corner. That means they are corresponding. That means they're equal. That means x is 110. Because they're in the same location. The next question. X and 120. X, 120. These angles here, when they are across each other like this, they are vertical angles. And vertical angles are congruent. So then x is 120 as well. X and 97. These are on the same side. They're both on the inside, so they are same side. Interior, and that equals 180 degrees when you add them. So x plus 97 equals 180. So then subtract your 97, and x is equal to 83 degrees. Alright, here we go. This angle here is 3x. This is x plus 5. These angles are across each other. Remember, when they're across like this, they are vertical angles. And vertical angles are congruent. So then 3x minus 1 is equal to x plus 5. Let me stop here real quick. If you cannot solve this, you need to ask me for help how to use the calculator. So you can just put it in the calculator, push a few buttons, and it gives you the answer. Alright, if you don't know how to do it, just ask me in class and I'll show you how to do it. Very, very, very simple. Anyways, I'm going to try to do it by hand here. If not, if you want to use the calculator in class, I don't care. Just ask me how to do it and I'll show you. It's very, like 3 steps and you're done. So subtract the smallest x. 3x minus 1x is 2x. Minus 1 is equal to 5. Add the 1. 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Divide the 2. And 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. X is 3. Here's the next question. And it says find M weird symbol ABC. What? This means the measure of angle ABC. So we are looking for the measure of angle ABC. So from A to B to C. How much is this angle right here? That's what it wants to know. How much is that angle? You need to solve for x. 8 times x, whatever that is, then you add 10. Alright, so first we need to solve for x. So I'm going to erase all of this, but it's good that you wrote all this down because it's good for you. Hold on. Alright, first it wants us to figure out what type of angles these are so we can solve them. That angle right here and that angle down here. Both of these angles are on the top. This is on the bottom. They're both on the exterior. Right? So this angle is on the exterior, the bottom angle is on the exterior. And they're on the same side of the line. So they are same side exterior. Same side exterior equal 180 when we add them. So we need to add both of these angles. So 8x plus 10 plus the 6x plus 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Again, if you can't do this by yourself, by hand, and you need to use a calculator, we can use calculators now. Ask me how and I'll show you how to do it. Alright. So, 8x, positive 6x. 8 plus 6 gives us 14x. Positive 10, positive 2 gives us a positive 12. And that equals 180. Leave x by itself, so we subtract the 12. So 14x is equal to 168. Divided by 14. And we get that x is equal to 12. Alright, but that's not the answer. On all the other questions it was the answer, but on your test it's going to ask for you to solve questions like this. Find the measure of angle ABC. Alright, so let me erase this real quick. All we want is A, B, C. That angle right there. 8 times x. X is now 12. 8 times 12 plus 10. And that will give us the answer. So 8 times 12 plus 10. We'll put that in the calculator and it'll give us the answer. Unless we want to do it by hand slowly. 8 times 12 is 96 plus 10. 96 plus 10 is 106. So the angle of ABC is at 106 degrees. Next question. Find the measure of angle BDE. From BDE. So it cares about this corner right here only. Only this corner right here. So only this angle. That's what it wants to know after we solve. 5 times what? 5 times the number plus 8. That's what it wants to know. So first let's figure out what type of angles these are. These are both on the interior and they're on the same side. So they are same side, interior, which equal 180 because they are supplementary. So we do 10x minus 8 plus 5x plus 8 is equal to 180 degrees. We'll solve for x. 10x and a positive 5x gives us 15x. Negative 8, positive 8 cancels to 0. So we're at 15x equals 180 degrees. So it'll be 180 divided by 15. X is 12. And if it were looking just for x, it would be done. But it wants to know the value of angle BDE. BDE. Only this one. Not this one. So then it's 5 times x plus 8. X is 12. So 12 goes right there. And 5 times 12 gives us 60 plus 8 is 68 degrees. So this is 68 degrees. And that concludes this video. Don't look, you only have to watch one video. Sweet.